Hi everyone, we're at 1 Greenaway Circle in Port Hope. This lovely 3-bedroom bungalow is situated in a great area. The home has had extensive upgrades and extensive landscaping. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll enter the open concept upgraded kitchen. It's open to the dining room and the family room with gas fireplace. The primary bedroom is bright and it has a 4-piece ensuite. The main level also has a bedroom, currently being used as an office, a 4-piece bath, and a laundry room. The upper level has a great sized loft, a bedroom, and a 3-piece bath. There are lots of possibilities in the basement level. You will love relaxing on your back patio and enjoying the sunsets on your front porch.